What's up, guys? So we're back, and obviously you see the GTI is not in the garage. So you know what that means? That means we are going to be working outside today. Today's goal is to clean this interior up. Very disgusting. It makes me not even want to work on this. It just, like, every time I see it, I'm like, ugh, do I even want to touch this thing? Today's goal is to clean up this interior. I'm gonna get these seats out, blow them all out. I'm gonna blow all the carpet out. I want to shampoo everything. We'll see how far I get today. But today's goal is to get the initial dirt, crumbs, everything out of this car. I gotta remove everything out, take the mats out, take the seats out, take all the miscellaneous parts that are sitting inside, and just give this thing a deep clean. So let's get this thing started. So right off the rip, not sure if you can see all this dirt, filth, grime, just underneath these seats. It's just disgusting in here. These seats are absolutely filthy. I won't even sit in them right now. I literally would put a seat cover on them. Don't mind the dash. The dash will be the project. One of the last interior projects, I will be replacing the whole dash. But as of right now, as you see, it's like a storage unit back here. Got the door cards out. But yeah, today's goal is to get everything vacuumed, wiped down. Yeah, disgusting. So alright, so first things first, we're gonna blow this thing out. Blow it. Alright guys, so with this thing, I'm dealing with a lot of dog hair. Not sure if you can see that good or not. It's focusing, but yeah, so there's a lot of dog hair, so what I'm doing is I'm putting on rubber gloves. And if you brush it with your rubber gloves, it almost acts like a brush. So I'm gonna be doing that technique, or at least trying. Hopefully that'll help. But yeah, this thing is filthy. And I'm not sure if you guys will see it on the time lapse or not, but I flipped this over, and as soon as I flipped it over, there's a dead mouse. Yay. Shows how disgusting this thing was. Let's get back to it.